Hi lovely, this is YellowM. Welcome to my channel. And on this channel, this is my first time on YouTube. I'm very happy to be here. So guys, on this channel, a lot of things is going to be happening. A lot of chit-chatting, DIY, and my vlogging as well. My daily vlogging about myself and vlogging about all that interesting things. So guys, I need you to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend to please subscribe to this channel, because on this channel it's going to be all fun. It's going to be all fun time, and this is the kind of channel you want to glue to. So guys, I want you please to subscribe to this channel. I want you all guys, my lovelies, I want you to support me on this channel, because it is going to be happening here. Amazing things is going to be happening here, and a lot of laughter here, and I'll be learning from you guys and you'll be learning from me as well. So guys, what are you waiting for? Please just know your girl is here on this channel. Your next door neighbor is just here on YouTube, and she's here to give all her best. So guys, please subscribe. Press the red button to subscribe to this channel, and then again, please press on the notification button. Whenever I do my video and I upload my video, you're going to be the first to know. Ta-da! It's going to be ringing. Ta-da! To notify you that your girl have dropped a lovely video. So guys, I really need you to be here, because I want to be here, because I've got something amazing to offer, and my storytelling time is one of the storytelling time you're going to love. So guys, I know we can do this. I know we can do this. So guys, please be here for me, and I'm going to be here with all the goodness in me. I am going to point it out. I am so happy to be here. So guys, do not forget that this is my first video, and I've got a lot of videos that I'm going to be uploading. So guys, I am here for all the chit-chatting and the story time. So guys, let's go. So I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. I'm going to be uploading another video this week. So guys, I'm expecting you to subscribe to this channel and to hear my first storytelling time. It is going to be awesome, and I know that already. So guys, see you soon. Bye bye.